What's up guys, it's Dusky coming to you today with a quick video about how to change your username on Twitch. The first thing that you're going to do is go to the Twitch home screen, go up here to the very top right where you see your little emblem up here, go on down to settings. You're going to see all these different kind of settings here. Drop down to profile settings. You'll have your username right here. You may update your username, will be what it says for you. Go ahead and click right here. After that, you'll have to confirm your password. So go ahead and click verify once you type that on in. And then Twitch will send you a two-step verification if you have that set up. If you don't, I suggest you do it. Highly suggest you do it. What that's gonna do is that's gonna bring you to this page here, this Twitch page that will allow you to update your username. You can only do it once every 60 days and it does take effect immediately. So if you want to switch your name over to something completely different than what yours is, you'll type it into this new username area, click update, and you will be good to go. It does affect how people will be able to recognize you. So yeah, there you go. Nice and easy, right? If you want to see more videos just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below the video. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Check out all my socials down in the description, and y'all have a wonderful day.